Isn't this nice and comfortable? Everything is quiet. I can enjoy my space and my time until the upstairs neighbor is practicing the drums again. Little Johnny and Bonnie are stomping and jumping. Amy is partying. Moisture in the basement subfloor is starting to come up. Don't let this happen to you. Make sure you use the FloorMuffler Underlayment in your next flooring installation. The FloorMuffler is the flooring underlayment with the best acoustical performance in the market. It provides a moisture barrier and protects the integrity of your floors. The FloorMuffler installation is very easy. Make sure the subfloor is dry, structurally sound, leveled, and free of debris. Check for protruding nails and any other defects in the floor before installation. Start in the corner and unroll floor mufflers so the film inside is down and the Ultra Seal film can open out toward the room. Run the underlayment at least 2 inches up the wall to allow moisture to dissipate out from under your floor. This excess material will be trimmed after installing your flooring. Once you unroll the first roll, unfold the Ultra Seal film extending it from the foam. Roll out the next roll, making sure that the foam seams are butted together without overlapping. Remove the adhesive liner from the second roll and press firmly to adhere to the Ultra Seal film of the first roll. Repeat these steps until your project is complete. Install your flooring as per the flooring manufacturer's instructions. Once the flooring installation is complete, trim the excess underlayment from the wall. Wow, that was easy! Now you're ready to enjoy your new flooring, your space, your time. The FloorMuffler. It's what's underneath that counts.